So guys, finally our video will be concluding from here. So if she wants to say anything,
No.
at least say something to your viewers.
That's it for today.
Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Right now we are on the street. Who is he, man? I don't care.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
ठीक है बस अंकल हाय बोल दो मेरे दोस्तों से
Hi,
थैंक यू सो मच अंकल दादा पूरे हाय बोल दो थैंक यू dapat ini kelapa hai sini ngalung ngalung utang ke hai bolong ga hello uncle कैसा है हाय बोल दो अंकल हाय
hi.
हाय थैंक यू
Today is the first and last vlog with Togito. Tama.
magani viewers ay wala si bye content strong ase at least thank me she was so shy oh ladies wait hi girls